That's right. You better Ebenezer. It's I say not Dumarakwa. I know dear Drew baby a dream. It's here the Nasi Mano. Mema, good afternoon. Now, Miss Simon Akwaba. About a few questions, so I don't want 06.3 FM. I do believe that on here area. Kakra announcement kakra on say there will be an mahunya hanen in term because na dear besantem. Already so na and na dear besantem it there will be an yen intentem 1 so what I said. It's here can sound na yeah sign catch or say brem to see our Facebook. I don't 106.3 FM on Facebook. Na enchebiano videos of our time. Yeah, the shisha. Yes. Now ya should there call any day back. And then Fridays in so the show no formula be any home. Your corner said their home on the bed chairs and Conibia. You know what I'm saying? Sabi no me and sound bop 3:30. Our 106.3 Adom FM. This is your own show. Ofia Kwaso. With me, Jerry Justice, Papa Bills Waha, African Waha, James Town Jikun so Waha. It was what we did. Edit them. And so now for swat sharing to me. Now we are needing a bra. What happened? I went down necessary. Now I said the idea they are can't care about. But said not ashisheno. And yen turn the toy, but well, the day is not yet over. So let's see how it goes. It will be now born bank a crack. Especially for those of you who are more flat prone areas, no. My wife. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave. You need to be confident. Be determined. But most of all, be joyful. Give yourself a treat with Puma drinks. Yes, Puma drinks. Specially made for you and yours. Say a cola and I say Fanta. And I say orange, you know. Inside. A cool yepa. A more dead. Nah, you can't hear Puma drinks. I say a whole new vibe. And you can say when in the boy you're doing 150 pesos respect. Now on our say no. They are available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door pound no phrase 0262 351 251. If you can Preco Company Limited. FDA Mushimuaja to so how be anyhow. Yes, it's a dear insurance, but a young form. And I had a good form that I do. Come on, I had a chassis. It determined young form of motion in a day, good form. Say, animal combination from Quadia. Me pacho say nan one day auto Cerelac 400 gram 10 mudi now I'm a mofana wrong making walk crowd boy mofana mudi intine san temono 10 is you still looking fresh kama men tamo tonchne Mount Sanka Cerelac wheat 350 gram pouch metre value pack no na esan etugum refill it na ayakama very affordable convenient. Assign more key nutrients now, iron, vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin D, zinc, iodine. Nina carbon supporting normal cognitive function. Now some boy promote optimum growth and development. want my friend move. So go grab your value pack now at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350 grand, more for less. And Kratui FDA Mushimaja to say, yeah, FDA for you. Free advert in coin. Is there a back? I cry home now, your home as you. Certified by FDA. Home you through Mubano. Especially when you are fully vaccinated. Who's lazy go be so crowds? Oh, vetted and approved by FDA. You can full go higher grade fuels at the amount. Fuel I have to a boss around come on. Yeah, and the amount for you need one dancers and pa. When you be good and more, how be any actually. My main secret, no. Who drive a car, especially this modern cars, EB. Oh, na BBI fine, but now one day all the car and na check engine a bed dasso. And also, and yes, a car no is due for servicing. What I say, oh, service a car we in chair, quiet maintenance near the watch the sound you near dinner, but check engine sign about bed dasso. Oh, qua. My main trick no. Buffer Goil fuel station. Na eto Goil higher grade fuels be say super XP round 95 no. Oh, ana diesel XP. Wo de togu car no. Ne run engine na fuel no enye say na san koto bi mu Goil. Na emfa engine mu a. Wo bon say on fa car ne nko workshop. MF machine so and clear check engine no and no be by itself. Say enye major problem bi na e bia a bad fuel a unya to go my experience na making check engine da make my ya me corner mechanic na out check afi no brother if you change the place they buy your fuel and I'm like really I fuel there was no Charlie fuel only be one more they spoil the engine no catalyst now they you go see no then Charlie yawa and I'm sure say me talk Goil higher grade fuel only be the good car no and also the men check engine men was so na all the men say me talk Goil ni mu for some time and I think the fourth time that I bought fuel from Goil me go so the car na me hu ya na off neko and I'm saying enti fuel bonnet the amount for the kun okrom pa o pe papa no pa ya 45 no with the XP3 additive multifunctional enhancer and more car no just say fuel we go come say more efficient eco-friendly fuel ne go car no can to man we simple that yet turn at no extra cost available our Goil fuel station BIM across the country, not just selected Goil fuel stations. So go ahead, fill up with Goil high grade fuels. Ajibebia, Goil, good energy, Goil. Yeah, dim. A Patronal Friday or Bassima Chedia, bro. Get ready to call me. But make sure you remind yourself of everything be a winning for Bassima seal no at home. Obana answer few questions now. There are over 100 chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and plenty of Bassima food products. Yanina de brewo. Choose foods with Bassima seal. Stay strong, stay healthy. And chibia de bro. Yanko Facebook says, yeah. Now sure what's happening right there. Let's see who is here. Piaga say, I am here, Jerry. I thank God it's Friday. Courage, Doche. Also watching you live from Semanya at my tailoring shop, Dominion Stitches, beside Bethel School. Now for you, trust me, you're more Daniel, Kofi, Contivy. And also say Jerry, good afternoon. Emmanuel Abuaji Abua Kaspa said thank God for another beautiful weekend and a happy birthday in advance to my better half, Mrs. Ruthie Abua. Akos Steven also on Facebook says, good afternoon, Jerry. Watching you live from New Tafo. Greetings going out to all Feel Council WhatsApp group members. Bless K. Elom Azat. I say, thank God it's Friday. Chama Jerry, I salute you. Celestina Agbozo. I say, good afternoon, Jerry. I thank God for my life and that of my family. Faustina Hansen, I see you. Anita Donko, also on Facebook, says, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I am new here. And you're welcome. From this day on, you are no more new. Right? You are a part of us. Mavis Yabua said, Jerry, how are you? Charlie, I am fine. Mavis. Bibia Kama, Nyamia Dumunti. Grace Nate, I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Thank God it's Friday. Now, Vic, and also in the Abba, say, Jerry, I am here. Afe Nana Yao Shay Jackson said, Jerry, I am watching you live from UEW South Campus. Greetings going out to mom and dad inside Ayensu. Eric Opari Mensa said, Jerry, kindly wish Reverend Moses Ajokache a happy birthday for me. I just did, bro. Affair Traswa. Ayekli delay. I say, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my father, Edmond Azu, a happy birthday for me. He's in the UK. And Affair Aziz Gideon, also watching you from the United States of Ashaman. I need your help for promotion. Strictly business. Yo. K. Foster. Hello, Jerry. Please, this program is good, pa. Yes, it's fine. Benjamin Ejekum say, Adoma FM nie, Ofie Kwasu nie, na Jerry just nie. Mitiosa. Ewa Timpoku. I love the message. Maxwell Tess said, Jerry, good afternoon. Could you ask Sempa Furniture Works? We saw come on my kind of message at 200. Yeah, I know I'm the same one. Yeah, I know the other. Messi Ada. I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Mensa Boswell James. I say, Jerry, please wish my lovely bee, my lovely babe, Amma Echampoma, a glorious birthday. Tell her I love her so much. God richly bless her and more wins to her. Thomas, still we are Dutching here. I say, Jerry, good afternoon. Hope you're doing well. Yes. I'm all good by the grace of God. John Anujo on the Troy, I Brad Jerry. Patrick Oparians, I say, good raining day. Jerry, greetings going out to my wife, Mrs. Rita Oparians. Please, tomorrow is my birthday, and I want to thank God for my life. Amen. Happy birthday to you in advance. Ado Dankwa Lekwa said, good afternoon, Jerry. Cecilia Danso said, I am here, Brad Jerry. Please help me wish my sister Ekuya Ella happy glorious birthday. I've had messages in the doors. Unyamba ya also brasses here. I Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now, and then videos of our time, yeah, the twasus is here. Okay, Mpacho Tis asking we. How would you feel and how are you even going to take it? Say, hey, be a sister, or wife, or girlfriend, or baba, and oh, mommy. Bibia, you okay with her? Now, oh, too kind. Aqua bruchi, what packing in your money luggage, Bibia set. And just when Odu Airport to check in, I feel also on Kobe Mieshaya at Tiafas Wabodam. Oh, yes, I'm serious, but I'm laughing. Right? Also on Kobe Wabodam. Right at the airport, a damn what yes, well, Lucy Bibia up there. Charlie, Charlie was starting here Yabodan for Nema. She say Atiafaso. Just like that. Just like that. Videos of our time. Videos of our time. Videos of our time. And Yama Ukrimo. Meantime, the Richoko National Essay Competition, Egusu Koso Den, we will be our upper primary, junior high, and our senior high, now we're Ghana High, Akonya Nabama. So, bit me at your essay. Now, we're dear Chedia Kessia Pa, we'll be our share of 100,000 Ghana cedis in cash prize and then educational supplies. In the second Richoko Mornings in Ghana essay competition. Now, the top essays in each category will be receiving 10,000 cedis cash and another 10,000 cedis in educational materials to their respective schools. And all 4 runner-ups in each category will be winning cash prize at their territory. Opeso past the PT and Pacho essay. Now, I address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now, what stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. And when you, as I say, a year on handwriting. Now, what you read now, my parents and I say, or guardian and I say, or class teacher, I endorse it, or essay, no. Then you attach 10 empty packs of rich choco. 20 grams and now 1 empty pack of 500 gram rich choco and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich choco. Now the account or handwritten essay no. Then you drop it at Accra Central Post Office, at Denta Post Office, at Chimota Post Office, and now Melcom outlets. Yeah, Accra Central, at Dabraka, Melcom Plaza, World North Industrial Area, Downsuman, Springtest. Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kiseman, East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afiafinia. Equally, Ubetimia Mili AO entry, no, they are called the Cadbury Richoko National Essay Competition, PO Box AF851 at Denta, Accra. The patrol closing date for submission of entries no 30th of September 2021. Yeah, no wash no so. Open further details are Cadbury Richoko Facebook na Instagram pages no. All the details in there. Terms and conditions apply. Happy birthday, Enkoma Tema Kunkum of Adum TV. Tema Kunkum. Happy birthday to you. Nafe, happy birthday, Enkoma Miami sweetheart. Adresa. Oh, Adra, my view. No kissing, baby. Oh. Happy birthday, Adra. And I feel happy birthday, Sunkoma. I see you do. My girls from your birthday. Neddy Boom Sanya, Daddy. If I try one with the new Malcolm now, you be a East Legon. No, I cute to say. Now, when you're friend of Malcolm Mini, just say Malcolm Ketwa. It is at the ground floor of Evita building opposite American House or East Legon. Branabe enjoy low prices and big savings on all your daily need items. Our Malcolm Mini, your favorite store next door. Ne take note say super saver card discount no so no. A year Juma ho pepe. Shop opens 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Yes, Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Abusia, by kind courtesy, Aquatab water purification tablet. Unya bi de tunsuo mu a na ma nsuo mu ate kama pa. Emmoa wane yade a yenya fi nsuo boni mu nyinaa no, obetimi avoid ni na wabra. We use Aquatab water purification tablet, a self-dissolving tablet. Jatum na nye adwuma ni na ma o. Ena yesa wo Aquatab food safe ewo ho. Yeah, no. Wako krumakoto fruits and vegetables they abano. Aya memfa ordinary water and wash ho. Use Aquatab food safe never wash ho and kill germs and bacteria wo ho nyina ma kama. And some wedi amodi. Why? Chemical shops, supermarkets, na pharmacy shops ahodo bi no kwa obenya bi. Oh. FDA approve. Omwa. Na ni nyina mu no. Opedodo a won kan afre 020 907 7726. Kumasi anu afre 050 169 4275. Nako Fruity afre 0244 593 381. And no wasem no. Afiasle di on yamfama food lovers rice. Wanya e peduane enimu aduane mu ti aduane ase no. Omo no makika mu ti abumu anom say this is the rice. So that's any di. Your friend food lovers rice. Pa. Rice meal bia or the be prepare bia no. Abusia. A katu din. Come on. Very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Available on market baby. Food lovers rice was made for better eating experience. On my darumenti, boru mu on Facebook says here na yemfa and videos of our time. Yemfa hihye so. Ewiase areho. Epacho abibimemu de nneema taasi o. Wunim se ade we asi ewo broni krom. Say obi to kwan and then at the airport suddenly, just about, doing the check-in near the nafi, I sa tell faswa. Oh, abrofono, quickly, ya best son mukra buano. At the narco health facility be crab bang and I maybe at the airport one knows I no more such facilities were on day. They will arrange for a doctor to see her cry. Oh, it's because of depression. She's stressed. Oh, yeah, share how we can help. Her situation near there. As a later crowd say baby I doing the gonjon peanut tinti say didn't come baby a crown. Yeah, sir. But a bit mu had there. Oh, I'm say, hey, Jama why you be born? Oh, yeah, wait, you do something to somebody. Where do you be the channel? Oh, at Yafaso, about them. Nafi ubi jejan sa. Oh, you don't touch now. Oh, how? Sister E2 and this thing happened in Nigeria. Timpacho, take note of that for me. Oh, Nigeria. Pacho menka Ghana. But ye nyomu nurse by the same. Yebe boni pani esreno. Sister not dress up, come on. I'll shine a bag, say quick run near there and hand luggage near there. Say, or kofu player to cry near at the airport. I just say, what team crana? I just why you checking out? Oh, the Q, I just say, checking now, or quaquayana, just say, and quaquaco body, I don't know. Suddenly, I feel also a nan cobium. Or funny bags near there, they are big now, quine in Chen airport, one near there, just say, I said, there, or person signed a share bass, bimuko, baby, meanwhile, on one fango, I feel just say, on a nan airport for my fee, ne dressing out at once, why bass I don't or started saying no or fafa there or from near there just say Tio Tremuno a dumbo asset in. Hey, Nasani reality. Obi a bibia da or obesia sound mind come out corny baby now. I feel unipana bodam right at the airport. We know. Is it something say a beer? Boba na fi odu ho na de na tiesim ana se kiane kin se de na me kan elia no eyo obroni krom a on be taking say, oh, maybe it is something that is affecting her near day, you know. Let's look at how we can help her near day, na be na why stress be na na say be depression be na setting near day. By any had the happens happen now. Ye sunsun we as and papa no be catch you say me call spiritual no. Oh, me I hand in your bands are up in a spiritual. Oh, first, it's your bands on just a spiritual attack being a bema na say just well, let's just see the video. Yeah, show video no na. I did video. Odwen okra won't ase. Odwen ho won't ase. Pacho yɛmfa video no nto so na yɛnkɔ yɛnim na atiefo nhwɛ adeɛ yi sister yi hwɛ video no wode hwɛ video no ɛna start no ɔfa ne nneɛma no afiri hɔ ama hwɛ apean wei bi ɛkwan kyɛn hwɛ baabi ɔde ne nneɛma no aba bɛsisi ne hand luggage ne kura no wɔ ne nsam no hwɛ ɔtam bag ne baako saa ayi Ghana must go bag ne bi no if you ask me say den hwɛ ɔnan kɔ baabi a ɔtam baako kusi a na watam baako akusi a akyɛ sɛ ate afa so a ne sa wo ate we fresh sɛ Ghana ha so de ya na de ta kan sɛ obi bɔ dam na otisi ayi mu a so we dey fresh here rade ye be body palo aha me kra ma kai papa bi so kra on kai me eno na dwo me ne papa bi so na moto we no so ye kotema ye kosa ye di nkomo ntimi kra ma dwi ni so I was driving in the inner lane and a car bin so outer lane I articulate out me twa in between this is not any other road motorway in between me and the articulator akwabi na nantiba barefooted bisa papa bills na me bu me say nyina conscience na me tisi for more inner lane mu de ko ba bia post no sisi wo mfimfi no just to swerve him and then I came back on the road again. I'm like, oh papa, what is this? I feel papa bills say oh touch and re your poor my coffee I feel me share driving me room na me hwe no e wachi ogusu na mu mfimfi hey wait uti anye yie na heba bi na oka akoka ne say kim wanya asem mi wa de na tia fa so enura yie on the motorway not everywhere anywhere we say any other street motorway no so he was walking barefooted in the middle of the road Charlie if you say hu enura ya his sister in the video ne gusu yi no wa touch it obi a wo tu kwan o akoka airport awie a wo DQ mu a okoye check in afedi o se da bi etu asase ne niema asan amahwe baabi a wakofa no kora no eno so kora nya ne fie kwan hwe e kwan chen baabi ewuram kwan bi a chese hwe ena wakokopie mu a chese akwantu no onya nkobiem ne niema odi tu kwan ni na hwe egu no Nyami hu yemobo. Very nice lady too. Very nice lady. I really shape kama pa ne ade. Very nice woman. Etu ho na now there you say we ase no e da okeke sa akwa abusua. Mo ani mre ne bom paye. Ye kwa ye ba mpa bon kakra kra ne kura yes ah. Because onna mo no ka obi kura nanka wabodam. Obi e ka obi kura nanka wawu. I'm telling you, nipa nye Africa ne won e dey ahunhum asem de ende ebeka but eno ko danche no yenhwe mental health issues nso yie woni obi tifie unua ba ma bi nansan bi asede ne nkomodie tie ne ade when we see early signs bi no changes bi no ne ade we should be able to approach them and see how best we can help them. Ye bet so mu ayesa na fina da krope na boom na tia fa so afi wo ye ho hwe a enye yie biem na akachiri bonse ndifo no beka say oh akamo de bantemo look at this lady very beautiful lady here and atia fasui here she's just talking to herself ofane mana no go omo ka chen so won fa ne nyama no san mra ba because no aside just say Lord have mercy. Kel Kids toothpaste fabi twu se wo opani no de na Kel charcoal toothpaste na Kel Kids toothpaste no on me ato so boko kola ne de atwi on se from 2 to 6 years for no ya the strawberry I want ntino ema chesen kola na ni je on se dan ne na kromo ade betwi on se kama a protect your gum no a prevent cavity a mom sen you very strong and healthy na ban of freshness there and the whole day say time we so what I say we know if he Samara Company Limited na men crop we FDA where you move mu agya to me say or how be any ho on the me patri ubenya bia to bia Kel Kids was a happy smile afi Pan African Savings and Loans we reduce interest rate on the loans no so or shall say from the 1st of July. Nyame adoma September bosumi ne de twa to na bebe wie. So seize this opportunity and take your advantage we. Never beje business. Oh, na ever grow business no. Is I say ehun simu na obetua no ketuwe bi. Obehu Pan African Savings and Loans for Greater Accra region of Eastern, Central, Ashanti and half regions ni na emu. Frey nechen baby awo. Na yen chrew the nearest branch ya obetimi eden about na ya business 057 555 7777 choose Pan-African, choose greater strength eno ehon asem eno no dominion about powder eno so boa ama immune system na gina brane kama brain na and normalize blood pressure, heart and kidney related problems ni na so if you stroke, diabetes, a cleaning na ma why den brain na so many phone call na giza na face neither pharmacies aguna so edru nyametias herbal okosumu a Tonic pharmacy bi o akwatia phone call health is wealth kade monko Haripel pharmacy o pedodo a hwehwe Angels Dominion Bar Center cha kwan won kokko phrase 0543 158 195 and afi 020 429 6449 na yedin komo Dominion Bar powder, your number one immune booster. Krakramuno floral disposable handkerchief are better than cloth handkerchief. You should be power ni no attraction hey what people no attraction what disposing of come there be na what and also look out for floral toilet roll, a floral multi-purpose paper towels and floral table napkins, a floral box tissues. They are available in a shop near you. A bonus of the phone book call. If you Delta Paper Mill Limited, open the door now from 0243 033 033. Na Yama Osaka Dudubia Unyebia.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office unko na wonim Aquataps food safe na. Salad ni nua ba wodi ne de bia.
Surunsu eni nsu a ehonte e de ye wonda da adwuma a emfa o how bia embre. Osan kwada yi su mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehonte. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Eni fiefie mu Aquataps abama mo se. Ebejen etufon free Health Top Up Services Limited. Ewo 050 169 4275 Kumasi ana 020 907 7726 Accra and 024 459 3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps wo pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA aji edwadi nkratui atum.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu na.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewo edidi mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Ye chi Hyundai Sonata mono chia baako eduenum. Eni sika chedi bebre ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa sika na fa send sika ewo momo no so emprepi. Enum na wo benya points a wo betimi di Hyundai Sonata eduenum a eye mono chia no baako. Eni sika chedi pi. Bosu me bia ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Posta 156 hash. Eni ya na se wakwentu a wo di bedi achege kesi bi ase ewo MTN nkwaso everywhere you go.
Quality security door in a new space. Why you affordably? For Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? For one quality security doors. And then see four contracted. When you road marking paint. For Pobiman Paint Depot. Paint to quality usual. Say why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's the 3 months. It's Yankee. See if you want something real wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobiman Tobu to
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier, a free bram is shot, says me use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Ninano, Menusua Chirimi, and Menuma Tunino, a giant Winina, now dear Semi.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasum Quina. Hey, Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and a herbal shop will be a Mukajo Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261 651 898. Bright Garlic capsules, and your drew that FDA, I should just say a gradient cratway, a jet to say, yeah.
Alanya Eva Bill, she said, was sorry, not shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, a yama, baby, I'm out. Hollandia Eva milk. What will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so kono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
This is Adoma FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is Adoma FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
The Lord is my light and my salvation.
One of my favorite songs in the world. Yes. It is called Psalm 27 from Rex Umar. A happy birthday going out to Gifty Ama Lawson, Mrs. Akuoku of Daily Guide and the Jubilee House. May you be filled with joy, blessings, good health, and favor from above. This one's come from Samuel Tay Adano, photojournalist, GCGL. And then I am more fast about birthday. Our Hanover, Germany. Happy birthday going out to you, Ryan. Ryan David. You are 14 years old today. Wishing you a happy birthday with lots of love. And we are very grateful to God for your life. Yes. Special love from the entire family. Your father, Nana Kwame, your mom, Evelyn, and your uncle. We're wishing you all the best. May God bless you, Ryan. I'm not sorry. Happy birthday, Nkoma Kwame. Amwako Dakwa. They'll be belated. Yesterday was your birthday. Ochame Amwako Dakwa Eba Enono. And the firstborn. Hey, there'll be the last born mum. Kwame Amwako Dakwa. Happy birthday to you. Yamisha Wati. No nyo kesi. We are more born and every other born is them. A happy birthday going out to you, Dr. ICN Morrison, National President of Ghana Private Doctors Medical Practitioners. May the good Lord enlarge and increase you. More grace, strength to you to do more. From Ben Debbie of Ben Deck Multimedia, Tema Community 9. We are mobile and every other bonus. I rather my brother Bomun Semina do anymore deja papa. Oh, you cool. If you are very fine. Oh, yeah. And a happy birthday going out to my husband, Bright Kujo. Dagby, I hope I got your name right. Okay. So this is the message for you. I'll say, you really are too good to be true. My life wouldn't be the same without you. To your brilliance, your kindness, your strength, and your everlasting charm. Wishing you God's blessings that adds no sorrow. I love you so much. Happiest of the day to you. That's the happiest, of birthday to you, my love. Hey, we do it to me so do. Actually, just said me pay kwabna don't you be not just me run the man. Wait for Louisa. Of the Trust Hospital. Oh, Louisa, where do your dominate there? Where do your dominate there? Could ready to make a see a pop, And a happy birthday going out to Emanuela Boatima Boating. Yes, baby girl. Happy birthday to you. Emanuela Boatima Boating. Formerly of Tema International School. Annual day and OESS form. From my Tema International School. With you out, Papa. Bra boot. It do be added for Papa. I don't know. Bra boots of Air Hotel Green and our face Sarah Foods. Tema Fishing Harbor. Tema Newtown. So the whole family is wishing you well on your birthday. Emanuela Boatima Boating. Yes, from your father. Brad Boots, CEO of Hotel Green and Sarah Foods. Yape, we are mobile. We are mobile. Your phone is Yeko Yanko. Anyway, they're forgive me. I'll say greetings, Jerry. Please do wish Auntie Asantua a happy birthday for me. Not just say, Minuaba. Ama Asantua Sem na Yeken. Mrs. Aqua. So happy birthday to you, Asantua. And this one is coming from Irene. On any girls, no, Sechiwa and our Fetiwa. Na almost in Yame on show. Na on Ton Quandem. Ewo Yesu Dim. Ameno. So today happens to be my sister's birthday. My sister will be feeling up. You know, me two sisters now. I love them both. But as Antoine or no. My sister Penny or no. I said, what taking me, mommy, please no. BB any other no, don't do this, don't do that. Bass Antoine don't live in India. My partner in crime, no. Asas, I love you, baby. Happy birthday to you. We are I'm a cost office, Kakrania, there. Yamisha, I got your back all day, every day. And that's what it is. I was trying to be around the world in 5 minutes, bro. And then so, Minya Baku birthday. Sweet baby girl. Adeline Mateko Azu. Oh yeah. Legacy Girls. SHS Akuse. Happy birthday to you, Mateko. From the entire Azu family, we are wishing you well on your birthday. May God bless you and bless you and bless you and bless you again. In Jesus' name. Amen. Rex, why you need yeah. On track, if that side sell cry, really kill you. And I say, what you make so I get back when I'm myself, and all else when I'm in it. Sabina made Abusua say catch or say as a so mount saka HD plus decoder na ɛwɔ DNT yɛ kan saa o ɛwɔ DNT ayɛ kan saa hwɛ sɛ o enjoy your favorite program na wobɛtumi anya no in 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality on pay na apɛdeɛ twatum sisi a ɛnɛ wode w'ani kyerɛ mu ɛyɛ Electroland anaasɛ multi TV dealer bia across the country a wobɛnya HD plus decoder bi twatum na what dial star 879 na what flow prompt no na watumi unlock HD channels no plus 2 months free subscription. Now after the free trial no obesan dial star 879 hash. Now what subscribe for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and now set 12 months package. Yeah, and only has 7 CDs, 25 CDs, 60 CDs, and then 210 CDs respectively. Now boons and pay more the year pass. Say there be a trasia. You can't want. And then the mammy more brand tea in Kaya say asɛm wɔ adi tu yɛn ho fo no ɔno de bɛbrɛ na ɔnsiesie no nsie na ɛyɛ na ɛba mpo firi mu sɛ na sɛ na bɔɛ no ayɛ wade paa nti dwo ɛne de maka kyerɛ ntɛm hwae na deɛ ɔmu nyinaa ne sɛ the Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair no weekend yi ɛna second mini clinic no ɛba so wɔ Wessels Mall ɛti mpakyɛw ɔkyena ɛna afei Sunday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day biara no yɛde brɛw ɛnɛ yi sɛ wokɔtɔ wo fie anaasɛ wa wusiw dan ɛno ne yɛboa no watumi afa adwen wɔ ho etibra ɛyɛ the 12th edition of the Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats yɛde brɛw wobɛtumi afollow yɛn wɔ yɛn social media platforms no nyinaa so ɛno no hashtag ne yɛ Joy Habitat Fair ɛna wohia further inquiries biara nso a frɛ 0546 908 179 and after 0540 110389 na Joso. She also said the Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair no, is in partnership with Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Afe Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. And now, Renters Paradise. We help people and properties find each other. The Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair. Everything housing. And who asem no. Afe abusia yenyaso na yentie asemwa enedei yedi tu yehofo e wo fie kwan so dwumadi so adom 106.3 FM. Da 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 da. Opani yenti asemwa enewie yedi tu yehofo dwumadi so na yenko yanim.
Yo, asemwa ende ewie yedi tu yehofo ene say without positive attitude, your success is called luck. Without positive attitude, your success is called luck.
Okay.
But with positive attitude, your success is called achievement. Yes. Your success is called achievement.
Okay.
Ya me pesa me chene say adie bia wo ye no. Say e bia wo mfa kwan pa so na eye ade na wo ye no adwene pa eni utrim na wo ya empo no say
udi nkunim mpo wo mu na yes uti na ye
nti na wodi na mom ade na wo ye no wo de adwen pa akoma pa wafa ade ne say ye wo de na wo ye say ye obi adwuma mpo wafa ne say ye wo de na wo ye eno ne sa ne say siw ye na wodi nkunim a eno na ye ka ne say wa achieve ne a opese wonya eno nti na nde asemo America ne say without positive attitude your success is called luck.
Okay.
But with positive attitude your success is called achievement.
Great.
Mediasi.
Simple and short, and I love it. Yes, I love it. It's nice. Your first was that Bright Garlic Plus capsules. Come on, pa. From Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. I run a kama diabetes. A boy improve a blood circulation. It boosts appetite. Motivate the DA. Immune system no so shine name pa. a check your cholesterol levels near adeno, blood pressure na feel sugar levels ni na a control na kama e the amount. And your bright soldier capsules wo and also boa my enhance libido no. Oh, sexual weakness ni the pains, waist pains ni the in the clean near few or low sperm count and so a cut to ye the amount. Kama cry. King's Walk Herbal, Hallows Herbal, ni na o kanshi, Draglin Okwa, Sabe Kabi, Tribe of Judah, Kaswa, Ebio, a fair tenated for shops ni near Mukwa Benyabi, and now do any chim Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic and Swa, Ubenya do be a Unyabia. Yes, our phrase 0243 983 906 and our phrase 0261 651 891. Na yamwao. As they do on Koma MTN. Oguso celebrating the 25th anniversary. He said, Sonata Makumako 25. Yes, so deal Muntibeje. Koswa use MTN phone, Fakasa, Fat Test, Fat Browser. Use MTN app no, pause app no. What I say, now face Momo no, use ko anymore near the idea. Now, on sweet me gaining more points. Nakai utie ya when you're back wetry. And also be dial *156#. Now, I show Jenny now, the you know, I say everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Door Master and Puma Paint Depot. And also said, bra, now enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. A year exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Nina are available. Oba Painter from where? Your partner with News Paint. Yeah, and they more Euro standard News Paint. Papa. Fako Paint 2 Dino. Now, yes, spread this kind of more tutor and crack brand for interest Bianca. It is schools, churches, hospitals, government institutions, offices, individuals, real estate developers. Momeji Paint TBA. Fako Paint Madana. Actually, more tutor and crack. Nipanso Yome. Ubana Beshe big mix machine here. It means makes it over 10,000 colors. The color beer in your piano. It trapped to the amount and tempana. But we had shark wine, Kumasi Highway, so your Pobima Udu Pobima Tobuth wa, Ujina Tobuth wa, when you to shop more. What they are phrase 0542 745 222 and our fee 050 021 2447. Na yenyoso, na yamwa. Dear Dradian. And what? Oh, sorry. Dear Drady and one Edry. Now, dear Drew Swana say, your day around the world in 5 minutes, Ebro. Siwawa. Adi. Akwa Baminia. Ye ni abrapeni. The patron what to say? Nyame adom. Ye de nyame ase pa. Nyame adom. Ye de nyame ase pa. Ye de nyame ase. Inso na bo me. Ezobo. Intino. MTN for we na o ye na kano. Fa o shimpa na. Me de me ho ahye me so do de be ya o mo fa ba ko me che me se we de enye big. O mo fa ma breko. Gradually na wo so mpo mu te say. Adom ni nti me ho ye pa. Ye da twedi ampo Nyankopon basa ye adom na se. Ye da twedi ampo na se. Na ende you be birthday. Yeah. I'm wrong and na. Okay. Okay. And Rami Boni Dina. I'm powerful Vivian. A Bakubi Kahuna, no, they mean to me more. The man who they meet or Tim Crow, man, they may catch and mean to me when they're in a birthday. Into me wishing a happy birthday. Okay. Yam Kupon Shano. Now, 1 year I can see. Bradley, as a son, what kind of dear? And you're now opening the all kinds of see Jerry. Me a big fan. I get test sports as a me friend agro cra. Me name my wife na. You will New Jersey na. Said the idea na tiende. A more de. Na ni na say my wife on so 18 birthday. Net day yeah. Tina say quite bias no. So to me wrong na wishing happy birthday. But the otro in na chino. The wife need na reflect it. Oh message. What try about the wife need no and reflect it. It's the old man say, yeah, wish your wife happy birthday. Do they not watch your wife say on one? It's your wife say, hey, you know, once a man and I can not. Ni didn't come why now why is being natural. The reason why India. O sende no happy birthday wish nanso one money dia nanso o try bebre
in some no dey no ka che ne wife no
into your house o asem no ho ka no wasa the message about say we are listening thanks now we are listening no
but still and wife still need I say mo promo
and we are no a wife say o dey on share Only wow message nature wife no chance so and we are listening now
so tie the offer di nimra na yen hu ne ye man ai yes na
okay but who say he's typing it here or say oh sorry her name is Elizabeth Ano and then now happy birthday to you Elizabeth Ano nyame sure why na e kaka krabi na odini kam bibia be fine
nyame tiase yeah Bradley yeah around the world in 5 minutes with Sesco
na yan wish Kwame Kulenu so happy birthday
Kwame Kulenu
of Adum newsroom and then na wodana why said the oye no low biza ade say yi kakra na yi ntino happy birthday to you Kwame Kulenu nyame sure why na onka ono tun kwanem na o ma cash ne mra mo na o birthday do a wetimi ayen senchene kakra na ade why o chiam am akoda kwa say o wish you happy birthday di mu champa so why ya kwanim
Bradley
yeah
mami mbisa edua food product bena aya we use ofie say we use bebre
food product
yes
made hu
say me be ma baby asisi anu betimi akoto no
okay
oh yeah
okay
me be ma baby
okay
Genie food
yeah
Genie food
yeah
ewrade nyanko
yeah matewanka
dia me den say niam no bon so of quality
yeah
or say sunflower cooking oil be na ope rice be na ope sardine just a food product bia
not just say omo awo ni nyina bi it is a ope sunflower cooking oil papa no eso beto Genie sunflower cooking oil and now ope mo papa din so a Genie rice and na ope mayonnaise papa so a Genie mayonnaise
yes
and na open milk papa e de atwa tea bia na de ayo bi bia Genie milk and na open sardine papa bi de atwa nu ato so a Genie sardine oh I got it yes, I got it
ni nyina fa woni kire eho
okay
na
my own number no preko
na me be mo number so mo no ma so ma sia ye dey around the world 0540 108 531 Mama Science Subi
good
0540 108 531 open the dudu etu a utumi kotu ho na wakwa akoton
okay
affordable reliable and quality
and audible
yes and
audible say ni naibo
oka Genie food o say e ma fie ye de a chesa brother yantis man and then me wo insem mi bisapa and then so you be din come on say do Friday say their time near media papa said time near media fantastic brother adia ba ko a me pese Ghana fo hye ne nso nie oba bi aniwa oye ugly ti oba bi aniwa oye ugly it's just say
na so nyem ben na so no mo fe
oh brother tie yi
okay
enya oba bia and no girl is ugly it's just that some look like their fathers simple Inti oba bi enu ano ho tan. Almost papa. Oh,
research we so sign bi.
Enu na maye no. Enu na maye no. Enu na maye no.
Me banana afrin poma. Me ne number bi obi aso se me. Akole so ofe.
Oyo ba na be ma.
What's the me tell say me pass obi as obi as akole ofe. Obi as obi as akole. Me wa ose me pa.
Yes.
Who me anzo na akole.
Na what ho tan. It is a one who abandon who are time or said papa. Simple. As my own person may I am chilling. Oh, Rajery. One mama quite and we may can some I am in chilling. May can some I am in chilling.
You,
now, wouldn't say charging your phone with different charges. It may say or charging port and so yeah. I don't know, sir. Some Mike and man about Timothy, but mean chilling, dear.
Okay.
Me but some of me can say man better masi anke bebo wo mo pa. Okay. The reason why emba e bompaye e fast e di break spiritual marriage and say sa spiritual marriage no munya infaso mfiri so sika bia enemy ntia. And we research not an argument. Aye we
ade anka cash bi pie.
Oh anade wo ko bompaye si ni say wo anka be bompaye. Okobompa yesi ni Bradery babies asa womo de eba womo kon a womo no mo maame no fo a ono ba ko no de nsa to ba ko so no sankwala no omu ni be politicians we any argument yes me say enkwala womo no mo maame no fo a omu no ba ko no mo nsa sa da ba ko so no sankwala no omu ni be politicians
sampani fo ni bi so
Gradually, what do you know? Wait,
when you be so wrong, oh, I was wrong.
So, oh, dear.
I was East Coast or the one about piano to chat. So, book guitar.
And by media man, hey, and mama, yama be a crab. Okay, me refikura. Brother, ya feno BT and for feno be a ba Ghana. So we're sinning, we're tuning 9 kwesi Africa, your continent is there. Yamana kwaba, no one characteristics. The person is welcome to Africa, whereby ya emranti e wokromuhano. They can undress a woman within 5 seconds in the dark. But broad daylight, they cannot open Psalm 91. Characteristics, no. Broad daylight, they cannot open Psalm 91. Me bois African to go. Chekoti ya braje we muti ya papa ya.
Oh, maybe I'm easier.
Woman baby. And your phone Bible.
Well, then met me be am easier.
And ya pesa papa be proof. Papa.
Oh yes, I'm how. Oh yeah. Oh, bet you cry on yeah.
Oh, Bradery. Blessed are the young. Blessed are the young.
Okay.
For they shall inherit the national debt.
Okay.
Blessed. Bring your CV. Let me see what I can do.
Yeah.
This statement alone has impregnated a lot of young ladies. This statement. For kapa. Single sisters na aya womo ko asore se omo ko akope ekunu no. Me pamocho ye nya kunu asole ho. Go to court. People are divorcing each and every day. Into your divorcing na wosha be man na pena na wa approach no. We simple. Unya no baby a free advice. That you dey ye ntu kwan kakra. Ye ntu kwan kakra.
Okay.
Dey ye ntu kwan kakra. Brother Runim. Ene me pese me kire Ghana fo ade bi. Na menwom no nso no ye ready wa me sra obi.
Enwom de na again.
Bonyi na maye unyi na rama.
Maba.
Pretuet ne ye be ye hu adman ne. Ene ne so ne achi bo bebu mi ne unu ha. Brother Burundi. What order?
No.
Edi ni mo pa de. Burundi. African names kura de enkurani. Burundi. Nyamencha de ne omo bie omu schools after COVID-19 break.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Omo bie ne kama. Uganda doctor bi nso ya remande no.
So why then?
Okwa akoton akwala ya wo no foforo.
Oh.
Ai.
Saade no.
Na minim de ntia ya remande no we nya prison straight.
Saade no.
Saade no. Na aha e koso ho. Mukuro mu ha. Se me aya me fi ha wo.
Oh.
Ana no ntimi nka ne bebere.
Oh yeah, wo ye. Umu ani bia be dwam.
Bradery. European Union executives any increase o masinyina omo de aba bonten say eni kwan say journalist bia ewu basabasa omo say they should protect journalists enye kromu a ye gbo ebi sutro na ye titi ebi atale and omo de aba say omo major interest no and say wombo journalist for
okay
Bradery
yeah
me the besia
alright
na ndede ensam no doso Bradery
ansa na obeye yi no
yo
me de obi kuna mo obi nti ese me hwana me if you fast yes say message na me run earlier no say na
what ya no
tene Tracy ekununa me so me de akoma Louisa what I say you know di ma mensan mo chiri bim na enko show it said a message ni tini or say happy birthday to my husband Bright Kujo Dagui or say you really are too good to be true. My life wouldn't be the same without you. To your brilliance, your kindness, your strength, and your everlasting charm, I wish you God's blessings that adds no sorrow. I love you so much. Happiest of birthdays to you, my love. From Tracy to the husband. Ntisi majina de amano majina de
wama unsi eguma moto mpa wama unsi eguma moto
odo umpa
odo de brother we are you odo
umpa
yepa mama nkasa manjira
yankwe
wouldn't him say beautiful girls with matte odor is a typical example of improper fraction.
That is
improper fraction in balcony. Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful girls with mouth odor.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I got it.
Some relationships are like camping chairs. They only work when legs are open. Minchi them. No. Minchi them. Minchi them.
Okay. Menchu.
Gradually,
yes.
Nekre. Yes, Ghana for say they should respect pregnant women. It is not easy walking around with the evidence that you had sex. It's not easy.
Okay.
Yes, so we should respect them.
All right.
We should respect them.
Okay. I got it.
Dressing half naked only attract small boys. Real men don't eat uncover food.
Okay.
Dressing half naked, naked only attract young boys. Real men don't eat uncover food. Yes.
Okay.
Men, you ready?
Aye. Maba. Okay.
Na aya na mo kase. Si say nkwala ya o mabe. Omo nwumo ntasu.
Yeah.
Okay. Yet like mama me hand.
She headset. Sonia Chiba.
Oh bono.
Ene bono.
Say all beat no.
Aye.
Sa mo say nwumo ntasu. Me pese me no mi enu ende. Ye tie nwumo no mako.
Yeah.
Radio you better to no.
Okay.
Biem na yenko.
Okay.
Una abɛyɛ ɔbaa no na mema yɛ bɛrima no mesrɛ nti ɛdu mmaa no side ato ɔbaa no start ato
okay try
me
will feed no more but try
for no roro
try
me marry son dia
okay you're great
Odomenu mi ho fami boni chemi intimi ngebimu
Sonny
maba Sonny
maba
me may be
maba okay
me sisi amina meba
adu no
gala fontie amo swani Boni na waye mi ni na rama dinhwe se waye da ho Boni na odia ye mi ni na rama dinhwe se we ni da ho Enunti na masaba se odonya we me no atachi mapoma iti mi ni so honey Debbie honey Debbie Daddy rap no Sonny rap ever na anyway obi a wo se waye oboni wo ma rapper wo se wo pe fufuo ene nkatenkwan the ose ope banku enkuruma ni kawuro ene oba na akoye fufuo ne nkatenkwan nti no mpeni bio
nse hu se
wo de edaba
e ka se
wo party ni yo yankwe madiwensa manyenu ye banina wodi na ra madiwensa manyenu ye enutina mabaze odoye ho fami boni chemi etini ngebimu Sonny maba Sonny you
maba bro anu ma boko ma nyini bi bro ye ma yina akoye obre bro ya ko to ko bre mi sedia okofatio ofo makuma mutu ama emuatu chokro me ni utie nyina yeah woni obo o kasa nyina asase amufuo na se woni madukuro mu tio ni mintasio me pe banku kuma ani ke bro okoya patel kwan ani fufuo
Can you imagine this? Brother, can you imagine this?
No.
Kwame yogurt mo ya. Kwame yogurt.
Adena, kwame yogurt. Adena, uye ena ya.
Dinos ya. Ba pa no.
Bueno, di.
Medi Scott. Brother, you answer na me ko say me kan. I'm powerful Vivian there in the birthday.
Okay.
Mechia Benis Kumi wajim. Ane na mami na mechia.
Okay. Amuna dawase.
Mechia Reverend Nana Osu Echegi.
All right.
Obi biara wo tie me. Me pa chew. Gini food die abama.
Good. Yeda mo ase yeda Gini food for us so mo eso ya sema yede around the world in 5 minutes April. Yeah.
Okwa achi modan ye fe kuro bi kejebi. Daddy we na chese wo kan na wajebi.
All right.
French ni meka cho se Javel.
Capel.
Na chese wo tita se den. Wo mo becho. Makra obi biara.
Ebecho. Okay. Ene na nasa asen to aso na. Ye yin fi hotel na ye ko ani. Nana. Empany beka empanysem. Emofra betwana system. Nice one. Na bibia aboko there. Okay. Ena nwumre yi. Eye dasronko. Na mepese obebo emu kakra. Na afi yakaka ye ho na unse Dubai this time see na man for plans against the weekend no. Baby obefa ne ade baby enwuron be hang out ne ade na ye hu what's happening in town tonight na ye hu say into etimi ebegyinam bi na bibia ekọ.
This is a simple traffic update. And then you your program be Accra City Hotel.
Menya hint no. It's called confluence. The flute belongs to mother.
Okay.
There are new symbol kind of poetry, a fashion, a music, a dance to celebrate our people. You know, our resilience in the yes. Because Roger, I am putting us in here Kofajo and say Koshan and Abriwa.
No correct.
Why Nehuna Abriwa? And Abriwa so would
yeah.
And so we will never die because we are able to reinvent ourselves as a people.
Wow.
And so it's a show with one music.
Name a point 6 and that you say. I shall say
around there.
No, okay, so what's it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It is 6 p.m. Yeah.
6 p.m. sharp.
All right. Now, I'm out for one person, baby. No.
You.
See, be a friend will be an address or person, but ticket is something at the other night to say entry to say.
You opening the old bar, opening the own corner. Then no 80 Ghana cities.
Okay.
VIP and seat near special Peninsula Makuyan 120.
Okay.
But Tampani 150, that's double. Till Friday and you made it nice and so we have a nice bar.
Okay.
So Bulu Asana.
Yeah, I was going baby to hang out this evening. Yeah, you all kind of say no. Who do I now? Don't say no. Now, Nasa Sankas and the Dush no be so my criminal chassis na and rinse na bunny flows and idea now. I say now brand you cry one point at 10 umpunia. And easy. You need to have a feel of this tonight. It is so to me ba Accra City Hotel 6 p.m. Yeah, na yeah the now he phone if we be in a baby. Tai chika krani adia.
And then you Raja, he said, what about it? Tiuba. And then you may Nami Adomo, I have some of my friends from Roverman.
Oh, okay.
The likes of Nisaki. Nisaki will be there. Mofosua performing alongside this Chief Moment. Sally Tope is the one running the fashion show. Sally Tope is an international Ghanaian fashion designer.
Okay.
Sitting in a fashion show, you know, in the middle of all of that. I have the Legon Palm band. Also playing.
Okay.
Raja, let me just be grateful. You see, we always talk about gratitude, that attitude.
Yeah.
PMI, Global Media Alliance, GTP, Accra City Hotel. These people have been amazing. They put this event, helped us put this event together in record time. Such a short time. I mean, now I say, you know, Adom has been amazing. Every media house we've ever entered. The CTFM, CTTV, Happy, you know, all of that. Nutri Day from Family. Raja, I believe, sir, senior season 9 no where na adwenim to me shit.
Yeah.
Enti
season ankasa mo shit.
Season ankasa to so na we na kese say. Beyond the return I be. Raja enya poni e be.
Yeah.
Amamre amania, you know, the art no. And I be enti then you mean there's a good platform to showcase authentic Ghanaian art. Pick some business networks. We all go home. It's Friday after all.
Yeah. So that's what it is. Tonight at the Accra City Hotel. I was your time near 6 p.m. My renfi, so be brave. But more than I pass it through. Nanya de Biana, in same course in us, I told the Bias some cacra. Oh, Branabetia and Rinsum Papa Binia, dear, and crowd and the Kumino. How you guys are able to put, you know, words together.
Charlie,
very crafty and Charlie, I know my week, but my week, you know. And you be shame now. Yari said it be see aqua and you know, woman say what the amount for us about just a minute here, the opposite or the chat to an sorry. So,
Miss Penny company, some other one and the same. Sumina switch and fresh when you check. And so, Beshan, as I said, your union on the tears. Inti Asia can yankun sem, yamisem, and ninsem. Feminine answer, or Mamma Kunja be of us. And then you may bra, your mom Peninsula Macunia. Near Tata, if you say, we audition Uncle Pombo, we are see, and you need to come to my desires and Finfini, I do see so. The enemy, it Timoso, near Frewa Mamma. You wish that's it.
Yes, that's. Abusiana Nasa say any attending canon. And TNN 6 p.m. sharp, not Medina shall say at the Accra City Hotel. Let's meet. Nah, you said the name of that's what it is. Now, Mobile Kaya, the 2021 population and housing census. Yeah, they should share so we know, and no any the nation's first fully digital census. I just say no, you utilize technology. Now, yetimia bwana I enhance a census implementation and data quality. Not just say nitio chamuna as a say for the first time ever. the provisional results now. You bet me I releasing within 3 months of the census night, the 27th of June 2021. I said now the 2021 population and housing census now provided updated demographic, socio-economic, and then housing data for research, policy, and planning over the next decade. Not just say if you do a idea anymore now upese uhunu bibi efa 2021 population and housing census here course you said you see a cofa any munchichemu ahodo ni nyina na dia any abomoden say obeko www.census2021.statsghana.gov.gh Pacho Stats Ghana no STATS now the Ghana GHANA account Obetimi Ashe, you know, the release of the provisional results live on Joy News TV and then on Facebook at Stats Ghana, that is STATS Ghana, 10 a.m. on Wednesday, the 22nd of September 2021. And Kaboka cry, I don't know. Sony, about your weekend where you had the Mokasa Jumedino air bro. Away Adom FM so 3 p.m. sharp. I know I share so hosted by Pukuya 101 of Mike 2. Ebefi Thomas Kitchen Abreu. Sponsored by Joy Industries, Amelina Children's Heaven, Afe Apumudin Herbal Center, Jehovah is my friend restaurant, and Awinbora Spicy Kebab. Also celebs Pina be pass through na chedi Pina so be PP mood Medina Sintiano Washen so sa. Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 Concept. I was young fast da Emma Ginny Foods. Real quick, come on boy Emma a day around the world in 5 minutes bro. If we are not Jumedi and the arcade atwaso.
Busia dear, Yajin Nuani Kona Bosso, Ginny sunflower cooking oil, and one was Sonia free sunflower Mediani Chea, or Nadia Bakame Pewa Ginia, when you want to say, Mediani, Ginny Moa, Bakuni Ram Cranny, Kumeno, Namaya Salad, Ginny Mayonnaise, Quanum here, a sunset, a man yet tasty, a sanso, Ginny Milka, a non dairy creamer, Ginny Sardine, and a sardia me pepper, a sunset, who bets me dear Gianni Pia, as a winner the two docona, who will say, you good, right spaghetti. Inso ka Ginny ebusia kuo ne ho. Ni senti be ka Ginny ebusia kuo ne ho. Esan say Ginny me fie ye de. Ginny die e koso fdi ade adwede nkrato ya to.
Voice number. Share. Why you would say Ubet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. What you would say? Ubetimi Yatinka, and what you big games no, and what them. Onia, what you say? Ube enjoy home ground advantage. El Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues a kuku them you know, bro, fool, and what them. Anna, Jajajeno, for 89 Ghana cities, called you Go TV decoder. Any year, now upgrade called Go TV Max. So, no fear, and yes, sir. Football, if you are Kasa. Self to new decoder. Test Go TV call short code 1731. Go TV, love it.
Drama from day one.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite gusona mesrea. Eya wanwahu. Me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban. E free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro enti bi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel charcoal toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. Emana hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aje edwadin krato ya tomo.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Oh boy, now when it is on Chalemreni ho. As I say, me rush do fear see games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say the Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so Nanka Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis being decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any Conference League fee. Hey, now why Jamie came here? Sell to new decoder. Text the GoTV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my GoTV app no so. And she share a crowd. GoTV, love it.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why you affordably? What Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. Adensi phone contracted. When you road marking paint. What Pobiman Paint Depot? Why? Paint to quality biara. Since you are why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's the 3 months. It's Jan Kane. And see if you are assassin real wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So what Kumasi Highway? Pobiman Tobu to
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, not shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk. What will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so kono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatu.
I don't know what to get for my mom on her birthday.
I think I need something unique and authentic for the choir this year. Ooh, for me, I want a beautiful African print fabric to be used as souvenirs for my engagement.
Babe, we need to get Dad a new shirt when we visit him this weekend.
For your authentic Woodin fabrics and ready-to-wear outfits made from exclusive designs, visit Woodin retail shops nationwide. Feeling good in Woodin? Make your loved ones feel good too.
Woodin, le créateur.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. It's a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super nedriane no abe. And everyone loves it too. And kwaniye dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Yankong cotton donut. Donut, donut. Malaria syrup donut. Everybody follow nut sa malaria. A 3D till donut now. Wonto malaria too. Wohopopo. What do you do? I want you. Donut. No. Lonat scatter malaria. Coconut, it is scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yen hwehwemu hu se malaria wo mojam ansa na wanum lona. Na nam yen search na malaria no da so wo ho a ko hu doctor.
This advert is FDA approved.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
At Sankofa, Yenchi. There's nothing wrong going back to get what may still be yours. From 18 September at 8 p.m., tune into the explosive second season of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic Channel 150 on DSTV for a second season of drama, tears, joy, rejection, and reconciliation. The show helps identify reasons why couples break up and support them in fixing their lost relationships and love life. Get a DSTV decoder, dish, and a 1-month access for 169 Ghana cedis and upgrade to the compact bouquet for 108 Ghana cedis to experience the home of Ghanaian content. Terms and conditions apply.
Ofia Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
Get to you press.
This is Adum FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Most I jam bonka ye. Untonko na una ye die here be a bayama. Umi ofan you mega. Yentambi no fuani waje. I'm a pay as if Masora no pay. Me papa me born say. I do me how ni say. Chairman unso bia so. Masora no pay. Me papa me born say. I do me how ni say. Chairman unso bia so. Eja ebi asori akwajuma ho mache. Ebi so sorry adwin fia ho mache. Ebi so gusu dida abontin yeso ye gidi sa woni ya badendin. Yesu fra wa beje enso. I don't know money ni enso. Ejuma ye body e nanso papa woni ye ni da. So ya no pay. Me papa me born say. Adumu me hani say. Chairman unso bia so. Have you got to did this ye? Yamwajuma din that ye bedi. Kwaju for the one di. Ensenye jumano any di. Hard work pays. Them say no pay no gain. I can't everything day. Ya beya wada she mama. Meninti eja I no pay. Masora no pay. Me papa me born say. Adumu me how ni say. Chairman unso bia so. Masora no pay. Me papa me born say. Adumu me how ni say. Chairman unso bia so. Aja, Chamanu Swabia Suaja, Chamanu Sumadofu Suaja, Chamanu Sumatam Fusuna Mundame Hunsam Kika. Aja, you are my light and salvation. Jaja accept my meditation. Fire burn temptation. Masora no pay. Me papa me born say. Adumu me how ni say. Chairman unso bia so. Masaya no pay. Me papa me born say. Adumu me hani say. Chairman unso bia so.
Get to you press. This is my story. Me sleep on the street from Kumasi to Kasura. Me never go give up. Baby Angie, me baby beji me to me penisa. Me share.
This is Adum FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Man just a 16 and nuntina mi suya fimpuna mi brain. Me trimu shishimi ina puno bebwa me ko Accra. Me do Cantamanto, Accra, 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 Accra. Meduru Cantamanto, Accra, Accra, Accra. Meduru Cantamanto, Accra, 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 Accra. Meduru Cantamanto, Life is a battlefield, so man need to shine right in a big city. Me start from shoe shine, maybe mates my tongue phones are fence on our both foots. Alongside yoga, but all these things never went well, we wonder why. Man turned taxi driver, me I load from Choco down to Medina. The policeman stop man, catch man, pass me na gas
with the me and
Jerry Justice you are on the race, come up for them, making me spoil my daily bird. Before me go see me writing, me can't break me keep shots, all these pains, so me say, oh my God, where are you? Save your son. Accra, 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 Accra. Meduru Cantamanto. Accra, 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 Accra. Meduru Cantamanto. Accra, Accra, Accra. Meduru Cantamanto. Accra, 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 Accra. Meduru Cantamanto, Lack of knowledge, man perish, me learn from the ants. So me go wise up. At time for be who me a ferry. If you see I'm sorry, we just like the strong tower. This is for real. My hustling every day for that little payments. Me need motivation. Me training many ubia. So me say, oh my God, where are you? Save your son. Oh my God, this is my story. Yeah, mine just a 16. Nothing but a music and nothing a me brain. She music, in a phone of a woman.
This is a Dome FM. This is Jerry Justice.
Mama feel do you want Matia? No girl here, point to the fever. No girl unless my one and only diva. Kush gangster, me share me corner. My share, my yes a sugar. I've got no girlfriend, nobody. Hoping control me say my feel away. Oh your papa. Everything about her is simple. you be papa na my bonnie pa. I'm gon' catch you made up with some fino. For your ba pa. Everything about her is simple. When you be papa na my bonnie pa. I'm gon' catch you made up with some fino. See the weather make too cold. I need my baby by my side. I tell you that you don't go. And the close
with the me and Jerry Justice. I swear I love you. 106.3 FM.
My dinner sorry, why if you're my me try a regard photo. And I said mention me, and I said mention me. I will keep waiting for you. So the time you return to your boo. Me quando with the chrome slow. Brother said it, mommy. Papa, everything about her is simple. Papa na my bonnie pa. I'm gon' catch you made up with some fino. Oh your papa. Everything about her is simple. When you be papa na my bonnie pa. I'm gon' catch you made up with some fino.
This is a Dome FM.
You know, my sorry. Michelle will me do here most. I broke my promise. Yeah, me can't get you know, my sorry. And see now, baby, I want to meet the yummy. Watching now, play you now, can I make a mouth? But you got some when you now, man, you've got to sell. Who's your man in my house? Some of you, cause I'm in love with you, yeah. Watching now, cause I need your tenderness in there by my side. And your sweet scented perfume is in there anymore. Girl, I'm losing my head, baby, it's for sure. And the feeling deep inside, no one can deny. I'm in love with you now. Yeah, no one can deny.
With the me and Jerry Justice on Atum 106.3 FM.
I'm in love with you now, cause I'm in love with you now. Yeah, no I can't deny. I see mommy can't let you know the pardon. Now I'm changed, I'm so new, baby, all for you. Can't let you go, girl, I should have known you could. I'm so cold, yeah. I want him, yeah. Wish I'm in my house, some of you, cause I'm in love with you, yeah. Watch you now, cause I need your tenderness in there by my side. And your sweet scented perfume is in there anymore. Girl, I'm losing my head, baby, it's for sure. And the feeling deep inside, no one can deny. I'm in love with you now, yeah. No one can deny, I'm in love with you now, yeah. I'm in love with you now. I'm in love with you now. Cause I'm in love with you now.
Mannequin?
Yeah. No one can deny. Love is beautiful.
Yeah, girl.
Your love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful.
Yeah, girl.
Your love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful.
Yeah, girl.
Your love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful.
It's that time of the night again. It's just me, my thoughts, and my pillow again. Loneliness, such a day where one day would drive me insane. Me who say me a moody muda, now my heart is in pain. No amount of champagne, don't feel cover this pain. Me take a whiskey, 12 shots, making wishes to my thoughts.
This is a Dome FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Kissing on my finger, wishing I am wearing his ring. If you know big glamour with some character, my character go free, accept anything, even if it be copper safe. I need a man, make a show him I be proper chef. Even if it be copper safe, I need a man, make a show him I be proper chef. Text.
Keeper of the gates of wisdom, please let me in.
Ophia Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Atum 106.3 FM.
Me
Or this one, you know, me go match you and me should know. I don't wanna wake up with a text message on the phone. Yeah. I just wanna wake up with the lipstick kiss and the hands to hold me close. That's why I need someone I can call my own, my own. I want someone I can call my own, my own. I need someone I can call my own. I want someone I can call my own.
Ophir Kwanzaa with me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
That's right, y'all. Hey, baby. I love you. Hey. And this one here says, good evening, Dickon. Please, my deepest condolence to Mrs. Benny Zametepe of Paradiso Catering Services. She's going to bury her only child, Edmond Nana Kofi Essien, God willing, tomorrow. With your Japu Kunche. Emma Busiano Shede. Yamen Chechemon, right? Greetings, Jerry. Please wish Priscilla Arthur of J County and St. Andrew's Methodist Church Community 2, Tema, a happy birthday. We wish her God's blessings. And this one's come from Reverend Alfred Okai of Gapoha Port. That's Tema Port Fire Service Station and their family. Yes, oh. And special shout out Enko Emma Nana Yao Shoe Shop off the UPSA Ayele Road. I would tell you no bruta. Do you check Shamuna? Yamin come, you know what I'm saying? And a happy birthday, though belated, and come out, Prof. We are fair contain Natural Way Herbal Clinic from Henry. I love you. I love you. I love you. Get ready to call me. Now, young fancy just on the chair who is taking the chest freezer or the food processor or the microwave oven. And I say products pina, yes, one from on the fuck coffee, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey. I love you. Shots going out to 21 all the way in the US of A. Joe Bibiaboko there. Yamen Kahominia. And then a happy birthday going out to Vivian Ampofo. There be Vivian Apafo. That's what I'm seeing here. APAFO. Say Ampofo na Emna Madia. And I will say, but say Sansude and now Vivian Apafo. Uwe Akuse. And a member of the Ufio Kwanzaa WhatsApp group. A happy birthday going out to you. May the good Lord bless you, yeah? And a happy birthday also going out to Mrs. Mary Khan Osei SCB, aka Nana Khan. We are Jumawe Ghana International Trade Commission from Mr. Andy Osei SCB of TDC. Osei Olaville plenty pa bebre. And then I made all bebre. I say greetings, so you're from Asuna Nana from Ewukugwa, Ekwapim, and today is my birthday. Okay, so a happy birthday to you, Asuna Nana Ewukugwa, Ekwapim. And I win so Felicity Bwedi. And also said today is my son's birthday, and his name is Ernest Ya Osei of Buguashe. And this one here also says tomorrow happens to be my husband's birthday. His name is Anthony Bwedi, a teacher of Martin DePorres School in Dansuman. And I will so say tomorrow happens to be the birthday of our Reverend Father Winfred Charles Longa, priest of St. Benedict Catholic Church of Anqua Accra. And then a happy birthday in advance also going out to my brother Papayao Amwa, assemblyman of Oda. And God willing, okay, my friends, now you move it to this one. Mr. Ebenezer Ampofo say, wishing the dear wife, Mrs. Monica Anaba, a happy birthday. Now, message now, the trust now say, I love her so much, and I pray for the Lord to bless and protect her. Now, Mr. Ebenezer Ampofo, so I will be our Fedumedi in the agro crowd. I was you're ready. Oh, Baba Fremi, now, Yashe. Obasima Chedie, how well you can perform. Now, what you watch Chedie, go ye. Now, they are called baby. We will be in your seven. You know what I'm saying? Jerry, please, my name is Jemima, and I wish my elder Joseph Amwako a happy birthday. He happens to be the administrator of CAC International. May God bless him. Allah love you, Allah love you. And a happy birthday in advance going out to my first son, baby Nana Ejiba Agri of ICS Kumasi. Tomorrow he's going to be 17 years, and I pray for God's favor and protection for you always. Okay, for you, you always make us proud. We if you Ajua Magi and Chain, yes, of the airway share, yeah, Nana Ejiba Agri of ICS Kumasi. Ochina all these 17 years. Whoa, that's hey. Happy birthday, dear. And the first lady of Breaking Yoke Ministry International, City of Power. And then first lady, you know, the birthday. Yes. And Mrs. Deborah Pega Tamaklo. Happy birthday to you. From your sweet loving husband, Prophet Sifas Kwame Pega Tamaklo. Yes. And the entire church, Nina and myself and Akuma Mama Zimbi, we are all wishing you a happy birthday today. Hey, make us a son. I tell you, so I drama about Mrs. Son. Nanejiba. Hey, I tell you, so. Nana fashion why? Oh, your daughter, oh, your son, why? Oh, no. My bad. Okay, so one more time, a happy birthday going out to you, Nana Ejiba Agri. Where ICS Kumasi, Ochina now 10 is 17. A happy birthday to you, baby girl. Fetch your uncle, what? No pressure, no so. From your mom, Ajwamagi, with love going out to you. Abuja from Cecilia, Mammy, seconds no na you introduce Cecilia 00302 216 561 0302 216 562 na yenko yenim na ne questions no na yemfa okay yemfa ne de no hyehyɛ so Cecilia tipacho from Cecilia na yembo no tel yente ensem free home eno no Obasima Achede and I had a bro Cecilia. I was dum 106.3 FM Ofie Kwasjumedi Eso. Why ready? I'll wait me after Cecilia na on Swaba. Patro 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 na wechatum na wait me Eddie Achede. Chede and Sude. You more dead. Heavy pa. Young for first caller. Hello, good evening. Nyabutre, your friend say.
Isaac.
Yeah, mama me pen paper hana. Me so ya na mama kibi na wa hwe ya na. Mama na ati afaso. Oh, as answer be ampa. What's your friend saying? Isaac. Okay, Ike, why ready?
But my ready.
Ike me pacho. What time no? A shall say is here. Name no. Oshana yeah. No one can nest near moving on. Why? Okay, so your time starts now. Me pacho, how many vitamins, any minerals, any what basima fruit me? Now, how many products are currently a one market? A what basima seal a one?
7.
The pacho female celebrity bang and a what basima advert no.
Emilia Blue.
Mame 1 Tom Brown product. A what basima seal no one.
Tom Vita original.
Mame 1 biscuit product. A what basima seal no one.
Lola.
Obasima fruits no a boost to SN strength in the immune system and no crown and no crack. Okay. Yo, Cosweti Ubeti and Kawai. All right. You better also. Na ya fire nest caller. Na ya ni ono so edi ashishe so ya hwe ono so ne modern bo bitimi abo. That simple. Oba ya pak na etwa na yakoye baby. Simple and tedious. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Yeah. Let's call her. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Patrick, you're from saying?
It's a champoma.
A champoma, why ready?
Me try.
Okay, a champoma, or time, you know? A shall say is here. Obasima fruits no, and you're good for children and no crying and no cry. Mommy, the colors of the Obasima logo.
Yellow and white.
Mommy, 1 vitamin and a mineral. I want Obasima fruits no more.
Vitamin A.
Mommy, the slogan for Obasima.
Stay strong, stay healthy.
Me patro institutions bang and on my endorse Obasima seal no.
Food and Drugs Board Authority and Ghana Food Association.
What say?
Food and Drugs Board Authority and Ghana Food Authority.
Hey. Mommy, 3 of the essential minerals and vitamins and what Obasima puts me.
Essential minerals.
Aye.
Minerals are maintaining good health. Hello.
Me too, pa.
Calcium.
Yeah.
Vitamin D, B2.
You, yeah. Bema baby, why you need that? Why? You're fan next caller. You're fan next caller na. Is you baby boarding? Oh yeah. Next caller. Otemenka. Good evening. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes. Good evening, Patrick. From saying.
Ejubia Mary.
Ejubia Mary. I love your name. Ejubia me Patrick. All time no. Esha says is here. Why?
Patrick.
Patrick. Which male celebrity and a war Obasima advert no?
Clemento Suarez.
Obasima fruits no ensure better birth outcomes and no cry no cry. Sunny Gary mix and a fake Covey Gary mix. The way and a war Obasima see no one.
Covey Gary mix.
Me patro mame 1 benefit of Obasima foods.
Immune system.
Mame 3 of the essential minerals and vitamins that war Obasima foods no.
Calcium, vitamin A, vitamin.
If I try institution bang and now on my endorse Obasima.
AGI. And a Ghana Standard Authority.
Okay. Me patro Cosweti Obeti and Kawai.
Pateo.
Great. Yeguso. Yeah, yenim kakra. Na dear Dewey, your fire next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. You're from saying.
Good evening. I'm Belinda.
Belinda, Pacho, why ready? Belinda, your time starts now. Pacho, how many minerals and vitamins and a war of basima fruits no emu?
18.
Now, currently, how many products now a war market a war basima seal no one?
6.
Now, colors I war basima logo no any day.
Green and yellow.
Okay, mommy, the slogan of a basima seal.
Stay strong, stay healthy.
Now, which of these products and a war basima seal no one? Tom Vita, Salmina, Tom Vita, and our Velvita.
Tom Vita.
What's it?
Tom Vita.
Okay. Obasima food products ni na ewo 18 essential vitamins. No kra na enye no kra. Enye no kra. Okay. You, yeah, that's it. Tiko sweaty na beti enka. Why?
No.
Great. Come on, y'all. She wants it. I gotta give it to her. She wants it. Yeah. She wants it. I gotta give it to her. I'm trying to use the technology. I need it right in front of me. She wants it. I gotta give it to her. Like nice, she. Papa, you said that old boy, you know. Oh, calculate and they be far enough. Yeah, enough here. Sorry, because any weekend, you could na young crochet dear. But you may. Accra City Hotel, or show me a honor, be who many are there. I just say, young support here, Nana Sassy. Yeah, poetry near the end, you any more debt, you know what I'm saying? Now, young said ABC Aquafa. That's what it is. Inti, young fire nest call and on. Yenny on also to us on a young share. Baby, ya de quack and that's what it is. Okay. This one here says, I am thanking God for the lives of Mrs. Aqua, that's my sister Santua, and then Kelvin Ba Japan, and then Adeline Mateku Azu. I'm thanking God for adding another year to their lives. May the good Lord richly bless them, and please say words of blessings on their lives for me. A happy birthday to all of them from Ama Dede, aka Azachi, Community One Side 10. Oh man, Azachi. And then now Obama Bo Wonzizi, yeah. You're fine. Last caller. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
About your phone saying?
What's your friend is Perpetua Aqua?
Perpetua Aqua. Okay. Pepe.
Yes.
Your time starts now. Right.
What's
About your which male celebrity and or Basima advert no?
Pacho Clemenceau Soare.
Obasima Foods no ensure better birth outcomes and no cry no cry.
Pacho no cry.
Pacho Sunny Gary mix and a Kobe Gary mix. Which one? And a Obasima see no one.
Pacho Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, one benefit of Obasima Foods.
It prevents anemia.
Okay, mommy, 3 essential minerals and vitamins in what Obasima Foods no.
Pacho copper, vitamin A, and a vitamin D.
Now, institutions being and my endorse your Obasima seal no.
Pacho Ghana Authority.
Okay.
And Association of Ghana
Industries, my boy. You fancy wa na afi moi moving here no we will contact you na makwa kwaji mo ache de kama medical catch mu za ache de na nya ha elia no bibisa se obi awini ne de ne sanka na ache de omo awini bi no dodo na kra na communicate so mo sa come ache de because you need space wire ye kosesa chest freezers yi na de abegu a ene ade nti no mo be wini no ye de mo numbers mo a omo frame wa na makọ omo na makọ akọji ache de no sa pepepe na nhye TNT chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and then lots of foods are Obasima seal no one in mojino kwa na modi akọ. All right, keka trans in tito na fe yan fan shows keka kwa ba.
Mejo so.
Na empombo ko de.
Jerry nyango ho hie mo.
Last week e bu careful ntia ya ya asemo. All right, and then you ko yanimu na ye hwe.
That's right. That's right. Jerry me da se bebre ma mfa kwenye so na mentia adom FM tiefo nyina.
Tiefo juice.
Na yenko so nkakae ho kwan be fa so betumi atena se wo apomdin mu.
Sure.
Jerry Dr. Solomon Kwabi edo su kono odi nromiensa na apiedwa so a enura ye ka ho asem enne ewo adom FM no ni nyina ye enura Food and Drugs Authority ama yetumi kratas yetimi ton na yetimi so ebo ho deru na as a natural remedy advocate no kreni me kanru hu asem na mani age the same thing say so be prescribe adru ana beka adru bi hu asem a chiro bi na ndipa be kwakoto na be geno no be fro aka se medase odru na ka kire me na abodwuma e dia mame e pasa Jerry te se de wawe atadwe no na afi na wo be mene munsu no bunsu onum ayo frem kama nti wo mo a sebe wo mo no munri no mo nsu di ho adanse de kira foforo no mefa kwanya we so na makase nyankopon inhira won papa na ye kanesa no ebia wu nyanom adru no bi na ubusa se adru no ye dru ben na dwuma ben na edie number 1 bema biara seven preduas na obema ye no etosini ebia enfriwo nemum kwan afa so didi ye bra wo didi enuane e wudi ye ne ade kakran amawa ye mre e wompam obi ho so aba adabridjo kra a woda fam empani se achia nemu ye desna bebu nyina enunti ena me wa ha ene enwumre se bomodena ne ma won sanka give us p capsules no beto 2 no to give us cool capsules no 1 tini ye course it give us p capsules no beto 2 no to give us cool capsules no 1 we are leaflet eshim it is obetumi akenkan no ato bo aso akenkan ne kama ebechro niema yesa otwe ho free ho wo bra wo fa aduro no bonso wagina wona aso kama se wuntimi nso nkenkan a enti na bible kra wo ka se enhira ne de okenkan wie wan fancy ho no to koma no si enhira ne no tie edi yensem no enti se wuntimi nkenkan a wo de no afre na yetimi ato ye bo ase akyerkyem de akyerɛ niema esese wo yo ene niema ese otwe ho edi efri ho de tie ne se sesi a Ghana na metie ti mamen kan Ghana yi memma be 100 ejina hon ma ebu be 70 to 75% omo mre wompam na e asem a e serious but etwa kramuda akra wo se enya basa de amana basa nyina eye ekwan fa so didie ni nuane a yedie enti sesi enwumre obi be hia be ma na dutum na odi fufuo odi banku odi wei enti enye memma nyina ne wo yere no mabom anye mabom so hunu so ka kire enipa ne se menni dia na dwoa no de nsem yi ne ho ano me yere se wo ba fie no ani a ene wasem be ba da bi bomodena ne ntenase mani hunu senti a wo se woni dia na dwo bi ewu so hunu na wo de weekend no se fufuo no be wa ma wade posimu no atwadi no ani abasoro kama na emum anadwo adidie ne de enya de be boa apart from say ebe ma sebe ofu aye kese no ebe sanso ama o immune system ahoden akofem because ebe prolonged digestion and aduane bia so e tra ne digestion period na e da ne toxin it be ma o immune system no abafem a whole lot but ye ba ne e kan say ya ebia nto inti na bia wada de toso bia wu ne ye be ma wagya bibi te say pastries nso di kakra wabra wo fa aduro no ma me nkyere de nti e ma wagya pastries die no Give us cold capsules no dwumadie ene se eyi fi efro system no enti ebe won run e pegative na se koba se u di pastries ne ade na pastries nso ya aduane ya fiber enim enti ma wo yam tim enti na kwa te se give us cold capsules no yi fi ni pie no na nso si fi no kwan se entena ni padua no e basa e maduro no ntimi nya na dwuma yie enti tie ni yie eno nti ne ma ujai pastries edie paso pagma so nye enu modern yie ne epe na se onom give us cold capsules na guso edi pastries na enchiremu ametimi dia ma wotia ba ne sa kwete se oba wo prako na wo ye ngura na wo wi ahwede egu na chi oda na ni hwewa de wo besi ebu ani chi no sa na etie enti give us cold capsules na nam se eyi fi efru system no nti na ya ye mpese bibia ya kwansidie edema no enu nti ne ma ujai pastries die no na wabra give us cold capsules na yi fi amamman cocoa cholesterol ni padua ni hia no eyi ni nyina free ni padua no na give us P capsules na ye wuntine no ho adwuma enti ano sa na utisi a wate asi osimu we de e permanent enye huhu prem na ugina wona so saa na apart from that no so we ye bema na wutie me wo de why masturbation pe Jerry unim se asofo ne asompanimfo bibire freme e ka se die ntie mo ye masturbation no e omo yere no oya sofo oya sopani sabi ontimi mfa na yere chi na ma na de wom ho kame wom bo mo tirimodin enti basa asofo asopani oba ne de no awura bathroom kama okwa horo nanim okwa no akwa masturbation but danger wom ne say bra wo ye masturbation na register show system no afi be duru ba bi no untimi nyai na agye waboso e basa anso a Mr. Dopamine no de wo how be bro eno achi no e be duru ba bi na ho popopopo o sisi ana awe afrade o self esteem beba fem spiritual life beba fem unti mompaye ne ade nti e besere ma no se memmo mfa mo ho nka me kuru no e ba oba esiusi no age tietietia ne ekwe ba bi so nanso sofo so amfa ma okra me sro menko masturbation because a chiri nsusu aso no enye papa na emum so aye masturbation yibi a register shell system no nti amawa ba be body na be so sensitive to sex to the extent say obema fa wo sere ho keke utibi jam okofro trotro na nitira nyi na okotra oba akoko nchen obe James isi ase no ho Mr. Oma onsanka give us P capsules no 2 na what to give us cold capsules no 1 onsaka wi a why are masturbation there at all cost as of free because your exercise kakra bia be mo aye wabra ofa aduro no wetimi asan agina wona so ebiu hye no so sa emame ebi so awo de na kwakwa ese wanya infection bi STI enam yade bi ediunya ojon so bon say sebe moja fru be ma mu ba insufita bi fru mu ba ewo mu ani mu hyehyew nhunu ne ekoso a mesro kire wo se wanya infection na mu yade bi eno so obeto give us P capsules no 2 now what to give us cold capsules no 1 what to wi a enam say wo de na kwa enam yade no no akohwehwe lemon and a garlic mesro ya mo confuse lemon ne garlic no me pa cho ye ka lemon a enye lime anka twade ye lime nye no na meka lemon akutukankan na ho papa e di twitwi bucket no na wakwa akohwehwe eno bi na afi garlic na so unya local one ne ho nkokon no a eye powerful papa na de aka ho no afre ni a kire kwan abefa so a wodi bedi duma alongside the give us P and give us cold capsules no ebe mo agina wona so kama I assure you that inti hye no so sa emame na ebi a wo de na kwakoye prostate enlargement sebe ojonso a obre ansa na jonso na ba obedjonso bebre ntoaso e kire se ebi na o prostate no e na ahono kakra eno so obeto give us P capsules no 2 na what to give us cold capsules no 1 na wakwa hwehwe wo de adwunso mu yade na wakwa hwehwe consulk ya abro trinwi no menyini so na mobi abro fuom na se wo tetibia obepa awokromfo oba no aba wo nsem de akere na e free but a very very medicinal usaka wi a na what to give us P no 2 and a cold no 1 na wafre ne akere kwan abefa so abe combine ne britia wa bi mu badwunso boko wabra wa moka kese bia ye number abetimi afre ne ye di nkomo ne bia openkyire mu a chen ne me kan wa fidie so a atomebo ase akyerkyem kama edi amount ye numbers no 0501 55 6828 that's 0501 55 6828 so friend and why busier ubit my friend your MTN line no say 0543 222 470 that's 0543 222 470 ofra ye bejo so na Jerry abroche for no so bo ho modern minim so afidie so na me ba bi a sensu so no e ba se ye post mo papa omo US UK Canada and the rest omo frɛ na ya post to ye the prescription to so na ya post na kama e de akwakomo nti so ohia bi na wo amanone a ofrɛ number na obenya me personal number na afi ye din kita ho na ya hwɛ kwan ye befa so a ye beje address na afi ya post wo de e de abrewo e very easy. DHL 3 days now on sa aka enche krakrakra t-shirt no so sa emame. Na give us about Mr. no so e market. Say COVID no
fa no ye na.
COVID no. That's right. COVID no ntwam. Enti mama ye nyina ye boost ye immune system. Si be boost ye immune system so there ye here give us about Mr. na ya nonom se de be ya bitu ye malaria jaundice fever na boost ye immune system no e de amaye. Pharmacy shop, herbal shop, drugstore bia bebo room no e ade a won sabeka give us P capsules. Give us cool capsules and give us herbal mixture. Frame near mon common and shakwan befa so a bit me aboa ma won so what de ho e de free yade mu na yade ya tino bitimi bo no ba no ato ne din yade ya. Your numbers now for the last time 0501 55 6828 and afi 0543 222 470. Jerry, meda asi bebre.
Yes, we da asi.
Ya ko fijo baby anu ada na se ama me. The crew masu efu kwan the way we see ya kwan no ma me. Many
why Jabi shame pa. On your more. Abusu ayan to asun kwam ne fast dama Vodafone. Ya da almost rase pa. Anyone ko for Vodafone good morning offer the aba. Offer we and an even greater morning. Yes. Nina say unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers when you have 5 minutes talk time to other networks plus 500 MB of data. And the good news is this bundle works on any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone good morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone. Together we can. Abusuan numbers were baby a weekend emu shit. Say ben abenya cash ka credit me dey sort out some few things no. Yes, 590 mobile. Just look around you. Plenty numbers. Baby try we ever fa. Ada say. And that was some. You know what I mean? Yes. And also be dial *959# to play 590 mobile lotto. Right on your phone. See, just look around you and get inspiration from, many numbers around you. Now, if a trebi now, so bit me the cash, cause your power. That's what it is. 590 mobile. And that one some boko. I'm saying, sorry, so very soon it's going to be checkout time now for the news now to us with the amount. Quick one, I'll say happy birthday in advance and come out honorable. Patrick Yabuama, MP for Kankwe Central Constituency. God willing, this Sunday is going to be your birthday. Wishing you good health, long life, and prosperity. From Nana Kweku Eje Kodia the First. Asumaka Hene of Enu Asamankese. Samilu no. Papa. Yeah, that's what it is. And we also say happy birthday in advance and Koma Zilla Watema Community 11 from Don Shagger. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. That's right, y'all. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. It's been great. It's been wonderful coming your way with a Friday's edition of your own show. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for staying with us throughout the week from Monday up until today. Yamisha Munina, and to the team, Papa Bills African, to Jamestown J. Cole, to Nana Sampo for J, Bria Bois Fenton Fem, to Mami Boats, Obistone, come on, cry. Not fair, so Miankasa, I'm a deal Shame. Edini Jerry Justice. Let's do it again, same time, Monday, God willing. Only on 106.3 FM. Until then, assembly about